112. Ya estamos probando. Let's fucking go. New trading day. New opportunities. Hoy no hay noticias. Espérate un poquito. No hay noticia. Por lo menos aquí vamos a ver a NES. Tenemos estos highs. Y es en realidad en el de 4 horas está alcista. Pero también tenemos la posibilidad de llenar este gap de aquí. Tenemos también esto porque también tenemos un posible SMT divergence. Ya que el precio cogió este draw. Y esto todavía no lo ha cogido. Mientras Nasdaq sí. So que puede ser que nosotros hayamos cogido órdenes aquí para go lower and then go up. O coger órdenes aquí para después seguir hacia abajo. Y cambiar las estructuras del mercado en el higher time frame. Vamos rapidito. Ya como no respetamos este gap, we're bearish. Ahora mismo en el de 1 hora. So que realmente depende. Si nosotros respetamos este gap, we go lower to grab these lows, these lows. En Nasdaq y en ES. Tenemos también este gap aquí. So que ya, veremos a ver cómo el precio se comporta. Vamos a marcar rápido aquí las secciones highs and lows. Ok, pero no me importa esto ahora. Marcamos aquí Asia Low, ya está marcado. ¿No está marcado? Sí, what the fuck. El London Low ya lo tocamos. Asia High, no importa. London High. Lo mismo aquí. Tuki, Tuki, Tuki. London High. Asia Low ya lo marqué yo creo. Sí, marqué este. Oh, fuck. En realidad, lo que nos importaría ahora mismo es qué hace el precio después de... Digo, con este gap de 1 hora realmente. So que hoy es tener paciencia. And that's it, G. Oh, fuck, espérate. 9:30. Acho, me gusta, no sé, cuando están estas líneas me gusta. No, pues ya está. Vamos a seguir viendo el stream.
This gap is useless to us the second that price moves down and then pushes back above this high, because on this push down, if price wanted to balance out this price action, it would have, but price was telling us that it didn't need to, and then it pushed past this high, so we delete it and it's gone forever. And that's an exact reason why price wanted to just continue lower, because we broke structure to the downside. And then same thing on this gap right here, same thing on all of these gaps throughout here. The second that we start trending bullish and getting out of here, like, these gaps are useless to us.
What if we were to like rebalance it on this candle? If, for example, this candle say like 5 candles later we were to rebalance this gap, would this still be invalid because of the fact we're already like moving away from it?
Well, like if this candle left a wick down here,
would we still consider
if this candle putting a wick down here, what is that? Is that price rebalancing this gap, or is that price sweeping up low, which higher? Exactly. So a lot of people can get confused because there's gaps everywhere on the chart.
Posible SMT.
And a lot of people get almost like too caught up in like, or they convince themselves that it's the gap that's getting filled when it's not. It's like, it's not the gap, it's something else. Gaps, again, let's think about what gaps are. It's an imbalanced price range. That price has the potential to fill. Does it mean price has to fill it? No. So we know for a fact that price doesn't have to fill gaps. It just is a area where price has the potential to fill it if it wants to rebalance that price range. But if price is moving up and then makes a small retrace right here, and there's a gap right here, a gap right here, but the second that price continues the uptrend and pushes past this high, that is price signaling to us, hey, on this retrace down, this is all I needed to do to rebalance price, to push higher. So in turn, all of this is useless.
Is that only for the higher time frame?
No, all time frames are the exact same.
It's like on a 1 minute. If we were to like just, for example, and we don't get that retrace, it's like a 5 or 1 minute, or like a 5 minute.
Useless.
Useless. But if we were, to like rebalance, like say the range, but not necessarily tap into it, like it's still valid to scale down to a lower time frame for like an inversion or like a breakthrough to continue the trend.
Well, yeah, that but that's the problem. Like if we go, I would. It's different with entries. Like on entries, I would rather enter off of a fair value gap because that's going to give me better odds. It's going to give us a deeper retrace, right? Like if price does something like this, big extension up, and then gives me like the tiniest retrace right there. Like, that's not an ideal entry because we just moved up crazy and then we get like a very tiny retrace. Like we have equilibrium and fair value gaps for a reason because they give us optimal entries.
Okay.
So yeah, like this is another good example. Or actually not. I mean, there's no reason to even explain this anymore. But like a lot of people might have had this 5 minute gap over here and looked at price coming in it and then giving an up move, and they're like, oh yeah, we might be respecting it. It's like, bro, this is like what the fuck are you talking about? Price already balanced out this gap and then pushed past this high, so we need to just forget about this shit. It's useless. That also causes people to like like I hate when people take trades. I hate when people try and take reversal trades off of fair value gaps. Because fair value gaps don't like fair value gaps, or especially on high time frames when people are like, oh, right now like we came up and we pushed into like we're in a 4 hour gap right now, so I want price to reverse. It's like reversals are off of liquidity sweeps. Like I'm not looking for a reversal off of a high time frame gap. I'm looking for price to sweep out high time frame draws and liquidity. Like literally every single one of our trades that has gone well for us, it hasn't been off of us filling a high time frame gap. It's been off of liquidity first. We can use gaps to support our bias like we're doing today, where hey, we swept liquidity, we changed order flow, so next step for us would ideally be filling this gap so that we can target lower. But it all starts with liquidity sweeps.
Makes a lot of sense.
He's wrong. Okay. Says the person that's literally watching this trying to learn how to trade.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Continue straight. Okay.
Yes, using fair value gaps as take profits, in my opinion, is stupid. Because Price has no I need to wait for him to come back so I can tell him this. But Price has no obligation to fill fair value gaps. Why would we use a fair value gap that doesn't have to get filled as a take profit point? Where's the hoodie from? Kill Tech. Kill Tech. I need that hoodie. It's sold out, so I'm sorry.
fuck, se me acabó el café. Luego, bro, era me voy a enfermar, bro. Siento como que era lo de esto ahí. Instagram. Oh, what the
Two
fuck?
more wins away from my second payout. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, twin. Hell yeah, King Slime.
Oh, fuck. ¿Cuánto se hizo? Damn. 13K in 2 days. ¡Ey! Tiene el mismo micrófono que yo. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Nah, bro. They balling, bro.
Oh,
Crazy.
man.
Hey. Hey. Ya lo sé en alto.
Good morning.
Ah, what the fuck, man.
Collab. We'll make it happen. We'll make it happen this month.
Oh,
When are you
nah,
dropping
bro.
more duffels? Never.
Balling. Balling, bro. Oh, shit, yo. Crazy.
So much danger. Stay in Miami for UFC 327. I'm okay.
Nah, bro. Crazy.
I'm okay. You going to the White House card? I hope so. That'd be lit.
Ya por las 5 de la mañana. Nada. This is crazy. Alright. Oh, wow. Coño. Like. Oh, shit. ¿Cómo
Is it
así?
equilibrium setting? With the Gambox?
Viste, mira, eso yo quiero aprender. Oh my god.
We need to unfavorite.
Yo tengo un BM, yo haría eso. No todos los días, pero sabes, como que de vez en cuando. No way.
When's the next kill tech drop? Soon.
No way que choca. Damn, bro, he's going fast, nigga. Pero good shit. Damn.
JR in your
Oh,
prime.
he cooked.
Cooking calls available to watch. Yeah, we recorded
Damn.
and uploaded. Not gonna lie, this is like a free course. Pretty much. Pretty much.
That's crazy.
Watching oil. Bruh.
Holy fuck. Oh, no. Tampoco es tanto.
Holy fucking timeout spree. Yo,
Holy
chill.
fuck. Sí, que no es tanto. Yeah.
Holy
Noel.
fuck, chill.
¿Quién pelea? Ah, yo ahí no pelea. Ah, qué fucking nigger. Acho, yo quiero ver este
Yo,
y
King
este.
Range.
Gref y este. Ok, ok. También quiero ver esta. Y la tipa esa. Y ya, en
Chill.
verdad. No me importa. Bro. Who the fuck es esta nigga?
People thought you were being serious.
Que yo la
Bro.
sigo. Ven acá. Bro, oh my god, what the fuck. Balling. They
Oil on top
balling.
roads, as it
Oh my
should
god.
be.
Damn, bro, that's crazy. Oh, 13,000 pesos. Crazy ass shit. Oh my god, yo creo que voy a dejar de decir este nigga. ¿Quién es este? También. Fuck you. Esta nigga. También fuck you. Like, what the fuck. I don't have nada. Este tipo tampoco. Este tipo, No, en verdad que no. Fuck you. Este también. ¿Y este? Oh, what the fuck?
W gifted, bro. Gifted for no
¿Quién es
response,
este?
bro. What? Where was the gifted?
Ah.
Did I miss it? The shit didn't pop up.
Oh, what the fuck, man. A ver. Ah, he balling también. Crazy. Pero ese cabrón está gigante.
I'm looking like excited for that workout.
With Santa Cruz?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nah, it'll be good. I like doing different forms of workouts. Even though it makes the shit way harder, but
No market manipulation. Happy foul.
if you want it to
Uno, dale, ya, ya. Sí, va. Ahora que ya faltan 5 minutes. Hacho, tiene un canto ahí de esto.
increase Tim's
No de esto, como que un
blocks to
gargajo ahí.
4,000, bruh.
Yo, shut up, SK Trays, bro, with the 400 or 500. What was that?
No te
$500,000.
deseo. Bueno, hoy es ser paciente.
My nipples are so. Oh, you got a good idea.
No, I turned the temperature up in the crib. This should be, bro. In the morning, I don't know what it is. It should be freezing, bro.
How does the hourly look?
It's filling the gap.
So, si mañana no me gustaría tradear, bueno, depende si el CPI hace algo. Pero no me gustaría tradear. ¿Verdad? Sí, hacho. No me da coraje, yo trabajo hoy.
Hopefully it won't just shit the bed.
Well, if it does, we can't do
A las
anything about
3.
it. We can only react
Fuck.
to it, so. TJR, why are you so rude to people but such a good teacher? Sometimes you need to be hard on people in order for them to learn. I learned that shit from my AAU coach. My AAU coaches at the time were like the biggest dicks in the world, but I realized
¿Qué?
they were only being mean because they cared. If the second that I stopped being rude means I gave up on you, because why would I get mad about somebody that I don't care about? Why would I get mad if it's something
Facts.
that doesn't really matter to me? I get upset because I actually care.
Oh, me too.
You still get mad at me.
Huh?
You still get mad at me sometimes.
Exactly.
You ready?
Oh my god. Chapa, me gusta cómo está freezing así. Chopate, pate, dame chill sin papá. Para que no me joda porque yo tengo el aire prendido.
Dude, that's my chapstick. Chat at 10k subs. Tyler and I are going bald and getting tattoos on our heads. Okay, Tyler's not. I am. I'm getting full port down my fucking head.
Nah, it's just actually gonna be so
and
cold.
it's gonna come down to the back of my neck. But I'm gonna get it like in a different language. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be full port.
That shit's actually gonna be so tough.
It's gonna be full port down from here all the way down to the back of my head.
Bueno,
Ready
let's
for the
go.
Instagram pictures.
2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Get us to 10k and let's see if it's cap or not. If you guys know me, I'm not a liar. We already shook on it.
¿Verdad, Juan? ¿Cuánto es que la gente dice que?
But full port it doesn't only correlate to trading. It correlates to life.
Yo compré en 88. $13 ahora el mercado. Anda para el sirete.
Market's open.
Entonces, si tenemos este posible sentir, pero eso es si el precio pues, me termina respetando este gap and going lower. Ah. Ay, no. Ah. Qué frío está, cabrón.
Equilibrium is a GAN box. GAN box.
No, pero está bastante corrido con el gap. Bueno, por lo que podemos observar, yo creo que el precio, like, no está giving a fuck este gap. O no sé, que nada más han pasado 2 minutos. Bueno, por si acaso vamos a dejar ahí AT. You never know. También tenemos. Ah, no, bueno, no. Ya lo cogimos aquí en Nasdaq.
One of the TPA members just asked a really good question. I kind of wanted to talk about this a little bit to you guys. He basically asked, like, when you talk about just kind of systemizing your trading, what do you mean? And he kind of thought it was like more so over like checklists and stuff like that. And I'm making this announcement to kind of give you guys reminders in terms of when I mean like systemizing your trading, I really mean more mental, right? When we talk about collecting data, think about collecting data as also collecting data in your brain. You know what I mean? Like having a storage box literally in your brain that's designated to trading. And this is where discretion is built as a whole. You know, so like really building that discretion, but through your brain and your brain acting as a storage box for trading and trading discretion.
Lower time frame confidence for entries.
No. I would want to see a breaker structure to the downside, imbalance, and then a retrace to confirm that new trend, and
Yeah.
then I'm looking for entries. Yeah.
Diablo. Oh my god.
Again, it doesn't really mean much to us if we just get this breakdown, because that, you know, we could easily move higher off of that.
Yeah.
I want to see a breakdown and then fill of the gap, and then confluence is down out of that, because
Vamos a ver
if I
si
just see a move
respetamos
down,
este gap.
again, it could go higher. But if I see a move down, then a retrace into a bearish confluence that gets respected, then that's real strong, right? Use it down.
Bueno, sinceramente, si cambiamos de estructura aquí en este gap y me da algún tipo de continuación después de cambiar de order flow, pues mis targets serían estos lows.
Turn off the stream.
Viste, maybe que queremos swap this low time frame lows para después cambiar de estructura y seguir hacia arriba, you know. Let's see.
Why are we looking at Nasdaq? The whole world's eyes are on oil.
Seriously, bro, what are you doing?
Fuck, turn that shit off.
Shadify, bro. Yes, more bearish than here.
Yeah.
Have patience.
Explain an oil block.
Okay, Okay, so since we pushed, okay, so see this 15 minutes since we pushed past here already, breaking this low. Do you think 15 minutes doesn't matter? No, because I was thinking like, okay, we're respecting this 15 minute.
What are we actually doing? We're sweeping up
Sweeping,
15.
yeah.
All right.
Forgot about that. You're sorry.
Posible SMT. De estos lows.
Qualified right now?
De estos lows a estos lows. Let's see.
Yeah. So right now there's really not much that I'm seeing besides us respecting this gap. And yeah, until we can get like full confirmation that we're going to extend lower out of this gap, I wouldn't be looking for anything.
Quiero por lo menos un cambio de estructura aquí en el de 5 minutos y después continuación para to go lower.
Lower time frame break structure.
Yeah.
Target lower.
Yeah, so I'd want to see.
¿Verdad? Y también, ojo, los
Maybe
SMT no
continue
sirven
going
si
slow.
tocamos un...
Current
Ajá,
price,
esta mierda de
So,
draws
right
que no
now,
valen la pena.
I would be looking at either this low right here or this gap. Since ES is the more bearish index as is, I would want to see Nasdaq like give us some sort of disrespect. And actually, right now, we're seeing like a potential slight bullish SMT right now.
Yep.
See from this low up to this low.
Sí.
This low
Bueno,
down to
puedo
this
utilizar
low.
los SMTs,
Again,
pero
already
como que no darle
overall
tanta
bias
importancia.
bearish.
Por ejemplo, si, no sé, si nosotros hubiésemos tocado este, este 1 hour high y en ES no, you know, like, eso es un SMT bastante fuerte, you know.
If we're bullish on the 4 hour and we end up inversing this hourly gap, it's pretty safe to assume that we're going to want to come up and target these highs, especially on Nasdaq. Nasdaq's the more bullish index, so Nasdaq we can inverse this gap. I would want to see just like every single time, even if Nasdaq inverses this gap, that doesn't mean that we're going to move higher until both of these indexes are correlated. So right
Okay.
now,
Tenemos que estar correlated
right
siempre.
now these are correlated on the low time frames. They're both in bullish trends. They're respecting bullish order flow, or at least as is, as long as ES doesn't inverse this gap right now. ES swept out these 5-minute lows. Nasdaq didn't. We're making a bullish S&P divergence. We're continuing this 5-minute uptrend right now. So what I would personally want to wait to see, because we're in this kind of decision-making point of this hourly gap, I would want to wait and see, does Nasdaq inverse this gap? If it does, I'm honestly assuming that
We
if
inverse este
Nasdaq
gap en
ends up
ES.
inversing this hourly gap, ES won't, to try and make that indecision go even further. So ES just inverse this bottom gap right here. But I think that
Pero quiero que
if
estén en la
Nasdaq
misma
ends up
página los
inversing
dos.
this hourly gap, I don't think ES will. That's just how the market is. Like it's going to try and manipulate people as much as possible. So Nasdaq's probably going to want.
Vamos a ser un poquito más paciente.
Nasdaq's going to inverse this gap while ES won't. And if ES doesn't, we need to be super, super strong and super thoughtful and be understanding that, hey,
Creo que los dos
we're
estén
still
bearish
in
para
this
que me dé
bearish
full
gap that
confirmación.
could send us lower. And just because Nasdaq inversed this gap doesn't necessarily mean anything yet. We still need to wait for these time frames to be aligned on the lower time frames, showing break of structure to the upside, continuation. Because if ES can give us that correlation, like right around here, it's like, okay, Nasdaq inverse this gap, and if ES pushes up past these highs, then gives us a retrace into bullish confluences, and then we can see that this leg is actually going to extend and we're not going to disrespect this bearish confluence, then it's safe to assume that ES isn't then it's safe to assume that ES isn't going to respect the gap anymore, because it came down into a bullish confluence that if it was bearish, it should have disrespected. But we're respecting it, so we can assume that eventually this hourly gap's going to get respected, and then we can target higher. But you don't trade on ES anyway, so that doesn't even matter to you. So, and also Nasdaq's the more bullish index, so you would want to be looking on Nasdaq anyways. So right now, what it looks like is we're making a bullish SMT. Nasdaq is sitting above
Ooh.
this hourly gap, but again, all of that can change super quickly. So ES inverse this gap. Again, I want to wait for these two to be correlated. Nasdaq currently is the more bullish index.
Sí.
We're still sitting in bullish order flow as is on the Nasdaq, unless we can break underneath these 5-minute lows. Then that's, in my opinion, step one, step two. Or sorry, Nasdaq, these lows. So that's step one, step two. We get step one, liquidity sweep.
Sí,
and then
ganaste step
we
1, liquidity
push down,
sweep.
and now we're actually within an hourly gap. So step two would be breaking down out of that gap,
Okay.
getting a retrace, and then
Mhm.
confirming within that bearish confluence that we're going to push lower to then
Okay.
target these lows. And luckily for you, since you focus on Nasdaq, because Nasdaq's the more bullish index, at the end of the day, we're probably going to be waiting for the last bearish confluence, just like how, because ES was the more bearish index, and how we would, if we wanted to look bullish, we would have wanted ES to be our kind of like last confirmation, because
Ahora
it's
que
the
llegamos
bearish
hasta acá
index.
abajo,
On the
vamos a
flip
marcarlo
side,
por si
we
acaso,
are
we
going
never
to want to
know.
wait for Nasdaq to be our last bearish confluence, because it's the more bullish index. So if Nasdaq can like start weakening up, break
I'm liking this
structure,
shit.
fill the gaps, and then respect them to the downside, then it's pretty safe to assume that, like, again, ES is already pushing lower. It's probably going to be targeting these lows. So the second that
Estamos
Nasdaq
respetando este gap de una
starts
hora.
aligning with ES, then boom, we're looking good. So
También
let's see
estamos
what we're
respetando
about to
este
do
gap.
off these 5-minute lows.
Estamos haciendo,
13 minutes,
probablemente
one
queramos hacer un
low.
break of structure. Si hacemos este break of structure, ya estoy buscando entrada con el equilibrium.
Again, I'll just stay super patient.
Y también me gustaría que el Nasdaq también cambie de order flow to the downside para que me dé más confirmaciones. Y ya me cambiaría full aquí en ES para buscar mi entrada. Let's go, let's go. Vamos a ver que cierre ya, en verdad. Let's see.
Christian song. Probably lit though. Guys, what's a good Christian song? What's a good Christian song? God, please no.
Okay.
Oceans?
Fuck.
Let's play that song. It's gotta be lit. It's gotta be lit.
Respetamos este gap. Coño.
That shit is not a Christian song.
El SMT ya lo tenemos.
I want to play the Christian song, bro. Is that okay? Bro, Tony is the Christian song.
SMT, ski. Hacho, pero si en verdad el precio quiere subir, me gustaría que por lo menos ES break structure to the upside.
Yeah, so right now the two indexes are telling us, like, low key kind of two different things right now. ES inverse this gap. We haven't yet broken structure to the downside, but Nasdaq swept out these lows and is pushing higher. So it's like, again, we've been faced with this pretty much every single day of the markets that we've been trading together, where one of the index is telling us one thing, the other one is telling us another. So best thing to do during these times is to
Be
stay
patient.
So again, I would be looking at Nasdaq, and Nasdaq, like, if we want to be bearish, then we don't need to look at ES, because ES is the more bearish index. We want to be looking at Nasdaq to see, is Nasdaq going to respect this hourly gap? Are we going to displace lower? Are we going to disrespect bullish order flow?
Ay, me duele
All
la
of
bola.
that stuff. Because yeah, like right now, we're good. We're just going. We're going back and forth. Both of these indexes are struggling at these lows, while Nasdaq is pushing above these highs. So again, if we want to look for bullishness, we want to look at ES and say, are we disrespecting bearish order flow? Um, and if we're looking for bearishness, we're going to want to be looking at NASDAQ and say, are we disrespecting bullish order flow? Right now, we actually don't really have too many like good low time frames. Like this is very like a lot of wicks. Like if we look at from market open, this is pretty sloppy. So even on the 5-minute, it's pretty sloppy. We got wicks all over the place. We don't really have too many gaps for us to look at. It's pretty ugly. So again, the best thing that we can do is stay patient. If we don't see a trade, we don't take it. Again, these two indexes are telling us the exact opposite of what we want to do right now. ES is saying, hey, we're inversing this gap. NASDAQ is saying, hey, we're sweeping out these lows. We want to push higher. We're probably going to inverse this hourly gap. So it's up to us. It's up to us to say, okay, which is it? And what I would be looking for personally right now, because NASDAQ continues to push higher, I would be looking at, jeez, bro. Yeah, NASDAQ is pushing higher while ES is pushing lower. I would want to see if ES breaks structure. I would also want to see if NASDAQ can break structure and maybe like disrespect this 1-minute gap. That wouldn't be any sort of confirmation, but that would be one step in the right direction for me to maybe consider this a 5-minute extension down, and then that's when I would be looking for some sort of retracement higher on the like a 1-minute breaker structure to the upside, and then to look for a break back down. But right now, price is looking real ugly, and it's really battling it out with this hourly gap. ES is respecting this hourly gap really cleanly versus NASDAQ. We're sitting above this hourly gap. So the question is, what is it? Are we disrespecting bearish order flow, or are we respecting it? We need to wait, and we need to wait until the
paciente
can align and tell us what price actually wants to do.
¡Ah! Dios mío, no sé, me dio un dolorcito de bolita. De repente. Espérate. Ay, mi bolita. Ya estoy bien. Todavía no hay break structure.
Is that like one step closer to like, okay, now ES can be aligning with bullish order flow, but it's on the 1-minute time frame? No.
What I would be looking for right now, because NASDAQ is bullish. What I would be looking for right now is the fact that we came into equilibrium right here. Now, I'm not saying that that's an entry, but I'm saying the fact that we came into equilibrium realistically should mean that ES is going to push lower off of this.
Se supone.
Should mean that ES is going to push lower off of this and start disrespecting bullish gaps. But if we don't do that and we start pushing higher, that does, so pretty much what you were saying, like that does give us a little bit extra confluence of saying, okay, maybe we want to look higher on this. But I mean, bro, look at this 1-minute. This is horrible. So even like the 5-minute looks like this. It looks like clean-ish, but the 1-minute's a fucking mess. The 1-minute's a mess on this. Like it's very like these two indexes are really trying to figure out who's going to decide where we want to go today.
Yeah.
So again, like this is ugly, bro. This is super ugly.
Do you think it's because CPI tomorrow?
Yeah. It's definitely part of the reason. I mean, bro, like this 1-minute is so bad. We probably won't get any clean price action until we can fully decide. And a lot of people would then be like, oh, I'm late to the move. Again, I'd rather be late and right than
Mhm.
try and predict and be wrong.
Jeez.
Yeah, because it's super, super ugly.
I would have, bro. I already would have been in a freaking trailer, right?
You need to be more patient. That's right.
I know this song. I like this song.
Uh,
Church.
Ahora mismo estamos en equilibrium.
Do you listen to Christian music or not? Or just like
Nah, I didn't
music?
grow up Christian. I grew up
Oh, okay.
Mormon. So we have like hymns. We have hymns, but it's different than like typical Christian music.
See,
So
if
go
you
look
break
at.
structure.
So again, remember what I was saying? I mean, right now, like the 1 minute's a fucking mess. But remember what I was saying? We came into equilibrium. If we were bullish, then we would probably want to displace higher past this and push up. Right now, we're respecting this to an extent, but again, like what I would be looking at now is because ES is respecting that. I would want to be looking at Nasdaq and say like, okay, and it's just unfortunate we don't really have much.
And this gap would not be a gap to look at because of the fact that we were
Yeah,
balanced
I would be
out.
looking at this low because this is our most recent low. So like, I would want to see like us break past
Okay.
that. That still would not be enough confluence for me.
Until we get that rebalance.
Yeah, but I would want to not even. I would want to see us break past this because we have 7 minutes until this hourly candle closes. I think Nasdaq is going to give us a run for our money. I think price is going to give us exactly what I said. I think Nasdaq's going to disrespect this gap while ES respects it, and in turn, I think we're going to still have to be super patient to still be able to decide. Because if Nasdaq disrespects it while ES is respecting it, again, that's both of the indexes telling us that we're going in two different directions. So we need to stay on these low time frames and say what confluences are proving the other one right. And until we can get that, and especially so like if we want to be bullish, then I want to see bullish confluences on the more bearish index. If we want to be bearish, I want to see bearish confluences getting respected on the more bullish index.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
going to mean this one lost or this one lost.
Okay. Makes sense.
But right now, bro,
So, entonces ya me gustaría por lo menos un break of structure aquí en el de
this is
5
a fucking
minutos.
mess.
O en el de 1 minuto aquí.
And something else that I want you to keep in mind, even if Nasdaq like doesn't disrespect this gap, that still doesn't mean that we can't be bullish. You know, because we very well could inverse it on the very next hourly candle. It definitely would make me be, you know, a little bit more bearish if Nasdaq disrespects this. Because again, Nasdaq is supposed to be, yeah, it would make me more bearish. If Nasdaq
Ok, we break
respects
structure
this
en el de
gap
1 minuto.
on this
Ok.
hourly candle, it would make me a lot more bearish. So, boom, right here, Nasdaq just closed underneath this low. That, in my opinion, is pretty big for us.
Yeah, because ES is also
Exactly. What is so ES right now? Again, what did we mark out before?
equilibrium.
Yes, we filled this gap. We technically got step 1 manipulation, step
Steps
2
2.
inverse of this gap, step 3 equilibrium getting filled like execution right here. But we weren't willing to take this execution on ES just yet. Why? Because Nasdaq was giving us bullish confluences. That was kind of giving us mixed signals. Now that Nasdaq is slowly starting to go in ES's direction, we still have 4 minutes left on this gap, so let's not get too riled up. But now that Nasdaq is slowly starting to lean a little bit bearish, I mean, even this right now, like I would want to see us push, like get a deeper retrace, and then see us come back up on the 5 minute. But right now, like it's looking like Nasdaq is losing this battle right now. So like this is what I want to see right now. ES is pushing lower. All of this is looking really good right now.
Yeah. What equilibrium? Can you go on the 5 minute, please? Equilibrium, would that be from this high to this current low? If this
From
lower?
this high down to whatever low gets put in. But right now, like still, this is
Tira que no respeta este
as
loco.
sad as it is. This is still anyone's ball game. Like Nasdaq hasn't really given us much confirmation, and it's just like this wick is so high, this wick is so low.
Break a
Like,
structure aquí, a ver.
I need to see Nasdaq give me like
That low.
yeah, because I'm assuming that ES is going to push underneath this pretty soon. Again, ES could push underneath this low while Nasdaq stays above it, and then that still could be a bullish SMT. So we want to be super super patient here and just wait to see what price wants to give us. Versus if Nasdaq pushes underneath this low and ES pushes underneath this low, so ES just push underneath it. Want to look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq just push underneath it. Awesome. I think we've solidified what our bias is for today. Now, what can we do? We can sit back, we can wait, we can relax, and we can see, okay, awesome.
For some
I have a
continuation.
pretty strong feeling that we're going to be bearish today.
Yeah.
We have all of these draws on liquidity to the downside. On ES, I'm going to still be patient. I'm going to wait for proper retraces on whatever time frame that I'm going to look for a retrace on, and then I'm going to look for some sort of execution to be able to target these lows.
Can you say that one more time?
Yeah.
I understood everything. I just want to like solidify it, just so I don't fuck up.
Yeah. So we
You don't have to say the whole thing. I just
yeah. So we've in my opinion, we've solidified this bearish bias. We got a sweep of highs. Okay, we're respecting this gap.
Super fast.
And after respecting this
So
gap,
we're going lower.
we just now put in a lower low right here. So the next thing that I would want to see would be a lower high. I'm highly convinced that Nasdaq is definitely going to want to give us one last run for our money to the upside. No doubt. There's just, again, the market is going to try and manipulate people into every which direction before actually giving us the correct trade. And then just like, remember the trade that you missed on Thursday? It's going to manipulate. And then the second that it gets everybody out, boom, it's gonna take off. So we need to be ready to be able to execute when that happens. I personally
Tenemos
think
2
that
minutos.
Nasdaq, if we can break underneath this, we're probably going to hopefully get one last leg up to maybe convince people, like maybe we just wick out this low.
and then reverse off.
Yes, convince people that we're actually just sweeping this out, and then boom, that's going to be our execution point.
Makes a lot of sense.
And something
Frío,
else to
brother.
keep in mind.
Es un
If
frío
when we come up
perra.
here, we don't get an execution point, that's something to be concerned about, because again, Nasdaq could just like continue creeping higher, but I don't think that that's going to happen today.
Oh, let's see.
Price is looking
Tienen
right now.
40 segundos.
Getting really close to this low, so we're looking good. Also, today might be one of those days that you might want to consider looking at ES over Nasdaq, because ES is the more bearish index. So again, we want to look at Nasdaq to give us that final bearish confirmation that our more bullish index is going to maintain this bearish bias that we have. But once we get that bearish confirmation on Nasdaq, I mean, if I end up taking a trade today, I know that my trade would be on ES, not on Nasdaq. One, because the draws on liquidity are easier for us to hit, and it's also not confirmed that Nasdaq's for sure going to want it to come down and take out these draws, versus ES.
Son las 10 ya.
These draws lower. ES is
Yo creo
definitely
que we
going to want
got
to come down and
no.
take out these lows compared to Nasdaq. It's
Tampoco
not
tenemos un gap.
guaranteed. ES is a lot lower. These lows, in my opinion, if we continue lower. Thank you, Jadon, for the 5 gifted.
Oh, shout out Jada.
These lows are almost
Frío, brother.
guaranteed
Holy
in my
fuck,
opinion,
man.
for ES, but I wouldn't say that they're guaranteed on Nasdaq. So what did Nasdaq just do? We wick past this low. I ideally would really like to see a break of structure back to the upside. Ideally, we don't flood the face down just yet. Ideally, ES doesn't give us a flood down. Ideally, we give us one more retrace higher before making this move down. I'd really like for us to give us that move
Retrace.
up first. If we don't, we can still. There's no reason to scramble. We can still find some sort of entry. So
Bueno, en ES ya cogimos estos lows.
these lows shortly. There we go. So we took out these lows. Nasdaq haven't yet taken out these lows, so we're moving pretty strong here to the downside.
Una parcileta, ¿qué carajo es esto?
Yes. We're gonna want to stay on the 1 minute now to see, because we're really close to these lows.
We're really
Nasdaq
close.
as well. See, this is a pretty big extension down. It's making me feel like we might not, unless the 1 minute can like actually start hiking up really quick here. Again, I want to see
Sí.
some sort of a fake or manipulative leg back up here to try and convince people that it's not all that, and to convince people that this is just going to be a sweep to push us higher.
Yeah.
But again, like, remember, we have these 3 lows down here. This is easy money.
The equilibrium as well.
What do you mean?
On the 5 minute. It has a 1 hour. Do we
We fully respected this. Yeah, on both. Yeah,
Oh, what the fuck, man?
also fake leg.
there you go.
Me gustaría hacer por lo menos que hiciera un break of structure to the upside.
We also
Uh,
gap. If once this 5-minute candle closes, go like this. Boom. So again, remember, for me, it's ideal if we break structure to the upside, because
It's a
ES is
gap.
our more bearish index. We have to also consider that ES might not break structure to the upside, and NASDAQ probably will break structure to the upside because it's the stronger and
Sí,
more
va.
bullish index. So NASDAQ pushed above these highs.
Mhm.
ES did as well. I would ideally like to see price
So break structure.
get a little bit higher here. I'd like to see price get higher.
Mm,
See, I was concerned that we were going to sweep out those highs and then push lower, but even when we get legs down like this, sometimes we can pop right back up and actually go back up to equilibrium. This is like just to fake the shorters out to stop them out one more time. So let's see.
I know you
See.
just fake. If right now we just enough buyers that just like enter off like a liquidity sweep and then
Let's see.
spike up.
Yeah, I mean, for me, I don't really see, I wouldn't really want to take an entry unless we can come up into that 5-minute equilibrium. And we're actually setting this up pretty well, where we have that 5-minute gap. You know, it's hard to say if NASDAQ's gonna fully want to go up and grab that. I would like for it to.
Let's
Go back
see.
down to the 1 minute for me. Yeah, so this wick is looking good for us. This is exactly what I was saying. Where like sometimes, you know, we like edge it out and then we'll put in like we skip the candle.
Pero qué frío más cabrón.
Really want us to break up here.
No, tenemos 40 segundos para acabar el próximo de 5 minutos y creamos este
Let's
gap.
move up, just edge out equilibrium, gets a lot of shorters in right here, and then stop those guys out. Again, it's just manipulation until boom, move. Yes.
Pero, aquí salimos bullish.
Did we also edge the equilibrium?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're a lot lower than equilibrium.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Touch equilibrium.
boom. We hit equilibrium on ES. On NQ, we're not quite there. Because NQ is our more bullish index, I personally, like, ES is going to give us confirmation before NQ, in my opinion. I would want to be more patient and
Sí.
just, like, wait for NQ to be the go signal, whether that means I'm taking the trade on NQ or on ES. So we're in equilibrium on both the indexes now. Yes.
También
Something
estamos en
else
este
that
gap en NQ.
we should be aware of. Let's move this over so I can see this a little bit better.
Bro, motherfucker.
Where?
The lows? Is that what you mean by something we should be aware of?
Yes. So ES we
Sí,
checked
también,
these lows.
también un posible
Nasdaq
anti-divergence.
Bullish with
Sí.
potentially.
Mhm.
How would we see that potential come into fruition?
If we inverse el gap aquí en
This
en
so
NQ.
now, this gap right here, big decision making, big time. We are either going to see this gap get respected and push us lower, which, I mean, personally,
would be ideal, no?
it would be ideal because that checks all of our boxes. But if we end up inversing this gap to the upside on NASDAQ, that kind of puts us right back at square one,
Yeah.
right? So I would be on NASDAQ looking and saying, damn, I wish we had this candle here. It kind of sucks that we don't have this candle.
To see if it was like if it rising from
Yeah, to see where the gap is. So, I mean, we can look over at
ver si no respetamos este gap en el
Again,
Q.
we can look at NASDAQ and say, are we going to displace lower? Or, and if we, again, because if NASDAQ wants to push us higher, realistically, I'm assuming that there's some sort of gap within here. We can just fucking guesstimate it. We can just spec it like this.
No,
If NASDAQ does want to
me
push us
gustaría
higher,
que no respeten
it
este
would
gap.
fill this gap and it's going
Después
to push us higher.
target
If it
these
wants us to
lows.
be bearish, then we're going to disrespect this. Same thing here on ES. If we want to be bullish, we're going to respect this.
Mhm.
If we want to be bearish, this gap is going to get disrespected. I wish we had this candle.
Yeah.
But
Great storytelling.
yeah, but we can, I mean, we can look at ES.
Let's see. 30 segundos.
3 seconds.
Está ready. Ready to sell.
And Q looks to disrespect while ES is just actually.
We don't, that box that I put on was a fucking guesstimate. I don't know what it is, but yeah, like right now, like we're definitely underneath the gap if there was one. Oh wait, no, we actually can estimate it because this was the close. So we definitely close underneath it there. For sure.
So
That's 3 units. I would definitely do one if you were entering.
Damn, pero es lo que mierda el risk to reward, right?
Where do you want your stop to be?
that'd be a big stop. I do want it this. I like it at this high. That's a big stop. I want TP at this low. How do you do that?
No, en verdad, we inverse el gap en los dos indexes. Eso que realmente lo veo bastante posible.
Maybe measure real quick. So
Let's see.
where do you want your
I want TP here.
right here?
That's so bad art.
Hmm?
That's very bad art, but like we talked about.
That's fine.
Yeah, we talked about. I want my a guaranteed take profit, and that's crazy art.
Bro, no fucking way. No fucking way that I just did that. No fucking way que yo hice eso, bro. Fuck. Damn, bro. Ahora tiene que ser
Totally
3.
respect this bitch, by the way.
Carlos, bro, I'm balling.
Or I'm in, but I'm gonna probably not make too much.
Damn.
I'd rather have you dump this.
Sorry about that.
No, bro, I don't care.
It's too late to like extend take profit, huh? Is that greed?
Yeah, for sure.
It's greed.
I mean, you can extend it if you want to.
No, I'd rather just keep it at a point where I know price is gonna hit.
Diantre. No sé, let's be patient.
Because on ES, in my opinion, we're definitely going to come down and take out both of these lows. So,
Diantre, que sin querer entré por
to me,
segunda vez,
that
brother.
means, like, we'll probably want to... Yeah. Unless we just completely reverse off of this.
Don't say that.
No,
Never
it's
say
possible.
never.
Yeah,
We have potential to do that.
you're right. We do.
Diantre, bro. Yo estoy mordido sin quererle.
I really want to close.
Damn, bro.
Don't
Wednesday.
do that. Don't do that.
Damn.
Why
Fine.
would you do that?
I'm fear.
It's okay.
I want to be real because of fear.
extend this bitch all the way down here, bro. I realistically think that you could extend it a lot lower than where your current take profit is at. I don't think that you should be fearful at all. We can farm winning days whenever the fuck we want, bro.
That's true.
If we wanted to farm a winning day, then we could have gone out and farmed a winning day and used. I'm not saying to to adjust your take profit, but I'm just saying that, like,
Chumbra, estoy mordido, loco.
Like-
I want to extend my take profit, but the only reason why I want to do that is for more money.
so then that's clear that that shouldn't be the decision.
Yeah. That's true.
Vamos a ver qué hacemos con este gap. Ya entre, bro. Literalmente somos a hacer. Si llega hasta acá, somos a hacer perder más. Arriesgué 6 minutes. Yo creo que son como 400 pesos o algo así.
So Nasdaq is edging out these lows right now on ES. We took out these lows. We're coming up. We're filling this gap. We're leaving these lows behind. In my opinion, there's just like I give it like literally such little chance that we end up leaving these lows. The only question is, do we want a deeper retrace prior to taking these lows? That's the biggest question. Same thing here on Nasdaq. Like, do we want a deeper retrace before taking out these relative equal lows? Again, because the market isn't here to please us; it's here to please itself. So it can give us a deeper retrace if it wants. Same thing here on ES. It can come
Ya
up,
entre.
fill this gap all the way. It can sweep out these highs if it wants to. Same thing here on Nasdaq.
Yeah, sure.
Like on the 5-minute, I would like to say that Nasdaq comes down and takes out these lows. I would like to say that ES comes down and takes out these lows as well. What is this? Monday. What day is it today? Tuesday.
Tuesday low.
Yeah, these are like Asia lows. So right now we're getting deep retraces here on ES. On Nasdaq, we're breaking structure to the upside. So that to me tells me we're probably getting a 5-minute retrace, and again, it very well could mean we're going to want to come up, and we could again, we just have to sit and watch this shit do its thing.
Yeah.
When we have lows this close, though, for me, like I'm in a trade on ES right now. If I miss this trade with these 3 lows right here, personally, I mean, again, it just depends on my risk. It depends on everybody's risk tolerance. But like for me, if I miss this, like these are, in my opinion, there's dollar signs underneath these lows. So if I get stopped out on this trade, I'm going to want to look for more. But to be honest, I think that you're pretty safe on this because you have a deep stop.
Yeah, my stop is crazy, bro.
Yeah, but again, you got to think like this is exactly what we talked about before. It's like we either look to whatever, like take profits right here, or whatever. If we had 2 contracts, we could take 1 contract off and then manage it, So, bro, I think you're chilling. I think you're gonna smack this bitch. You got it. See if we can flood this bitch down.
Let's see. Oh, what the fuck?
Baba.
Nice.
Come on, man.
Nice. Nice. Okay. 2 more days. 2 more days, right?
Yep.
2 more days. Nice.
That was $700 profit on the day for Tim. W's in the fucking chat for Tim.
Oh, yes. Nice.
Baba.
Nice.
There you go. W's in the fucking chat. Tim with another take profit smacked. That boy's cooking right now.
Nice.
That boy is absolutely cooking.
Like how we talked about yesterday, bro. Like if the money's guaranteed, bro. It's easy money, bro.
Telling you.
Easy money. Easy money.
Negative RR.
Yeah, negative R. But
Negative R, but who gives a fuck? Because he just made money in front of 41,000 individuals.
Damn.
nice.
Hell yeah, bro.
Let's see.
Bro, 2 more days, bro. 2 more days. 2 more days, my first payout. Turn that up, bro. Turn that up, bro. Turn that up, bro. Turn that up, bro.
50 bands.
Man,
Boy.
Back to back. Back to back. Matter of fact, we need to play that Drake song.
Ah, yes. Nice. 10 band, 50
50
band.
bands.
Tim's so fucking annoying, but I don't care, nigga. Just smack.
Okay.
Stop. Whoa.
That was like perfect TP. As of right now.
No estamos respetando este gap, so okay. I'm pretty safe.
Nice.
Two more winning days. Two more winning days, bro.
Bro. My first ever payout, bro. I might get emotional, bro. I can't lie.
Oil. Ya antes, pero es que loco. Hecho, vamos a salir.
This is gambling. Tell that to his fucking payout, dumbass. I almost called him the N-word.
Nigga.
Literally.
Nacho, no, porque es que no.
Nigga.
Literally.
350, pero está bien, pero es que sin querer, carajo.
Tell
Sin
me
querer
how-
arriesgué
tell me
más,
how it's
brother.
Gambling when he's literally
Damn.
won every single trade except for his first trade this entire challenge. Tell me how it's gambling.
Damn, bruh.
Let me know how that's gambling, bruh.
Es good shit, en verdad, está bien, real. Ya, pero estoy mordido. Pero vamos a ver si respetamos el equilibrio aquí. Pero es que sigo, no puede ser. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy, bro. Sin querer arriesgué más.
Meanwhile, I'm literally about to get stopped out of my shit. That was too late.
Bah.
I'm up a lot this week, or this entire month. Definitely stopped. LOL. Poor me. I'm up $600,000 on the month. I can take a loss. Telling you, bro. Notice how literally 5,000 people left the second that you made
¿Viste?
money. fucking 5,000. Fucking
Perdí
haters, bruh.
350. Damn, it's good shit, bro. Está bien.
Thinking I need some real Betosa.
Ya lo hubiese perdido en verdad menos, pero eso, it's
Yeah.
okay, brother.
Oh no. Yeah. I just got stopped out. Let's see how much I lost. Jeez, 84K.
That's 84K.
Yeah.
Nigga, that's W risk management, bro.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I've made 6 figures pretty much every trade prior to this, so only losing 84K isn't that bad. I still see all these lows though, so I'm still looking for something.
Pacho, que en verdad que sí.
Nobu, 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 Nobu.
Equal lows.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, of course, bro.
Bro,
Realistically, you can farm winning days for the rest of this week and
just 2 more.
yeah,
Payout.
yeah, and then you got it.
Mm.
Tomorrow we have CPI, so I would say like maybe I mean we can decide what we want to do.
Tim is a good little jester. When did you buy the slave?
Bro, oh my gosh, y'all are insane, bro.
Ah, sigue sentido, ¿verdad?
No man, no man, no man, no man, no man, no man.
Que bro, no, sigo mordido, bro, sin que le arriesgue más.
No sé.
Primero fueron 4 mini y después 2 mini más. Fuck,
Imagine
man.
if you extended it. See? We got it again. We have take profits for a reason, bro.
Bro, I literally would have extended it if you didn't tell me that advice.
Alright, bro.
I was literally gonna drag that shit down, bro. That would've been crazy.
Falta un minuto nada más.
Oh, bro, that would put you in the negative on the account.
Nice. Fuck about no negative odds, bro. Money's money.
I'm telling you, bro. Once you, I mean, respectfully, I think that once you stop listening to what a lot of like these idiots online say, I think a lot of it, I think a lot of it is bad advice.
We
I
changed
think a lot of it
structure.
is,
The take up,
not bad,
sure,
not like
man.
necessarily bad advice, but
100
it's like
pesos nada más.
everyone says TJR is for beginners, and it's like, bro, like how else are you supposed to even start? You know, like
Yo creo que 1 mini,
I
right?
teach people how to actually become profitable when like they're first starting out, and if you can't do that, then like if you try and jump straight to the advanced
mini.
shit, then like you're fucked. You know, like I mean, this is like about as much proof as it gets, bruh. Like I don't want to hear it from nobody. The world's eyes are on Timmy, literally.
I checked oil, bro, before this.
Checked oil. Nah, dead ass. When he went to the bathroom, he checked in on oil. I want to get my get back. Can't lie. Revenge trading. You want to trade with me?
Yeah, I'm in this with you, bro.
Stop. I'm gonna get my get back. bench trade. We'll see. We'll see. If I can't find an entry, then I'll take the L. Tim more profitable than TJR, literally.
Who said that?
This is his get back for me taking that one short that he missed. This is his get back.
That was my get up for you whipping me off screen, bro.
I was
You
not
whipped me
whipping
off.
you. That's insane.
I was kidding, bro. Yeah, I'm so happy right now.
No, it's
Vamos a ver cómo va. Bueno, te perdimos 350. 243 minus. Me faltarían 500, está bien. Eso puede ser un día. Let's see, mañana no creo.
The only thing though,
Ocho, pero que estoy mordido, bro. Arriesgué más.
take another good trade.
De verdad, sigo mordido, sigo mordido,
This
sigo
was
mordido.
$700 profit. We need to see what.
Déjame ver si el precio hace un break of structure. Otra vez por lo menos un retracement to go higher. Up to these highs por lo menos.
So this hasn't updated yet. Yeah. This hasn't updated. Yeah. So this hasn't updated. Once this updates, then we'll be able to see what you need to do.
What does it say? How many training days for you? Or the winning days?
On here, but this updates after the day as well. So you
It says 3, but
yeah,
2 more.
but you won today. So as long as we don't trade for the rest of the day on this account, I'm chilling. She wanna eat me. Pull on Trish till I get sleepy. She wanna eat me. I'm not that freaky.
Would it be a bad idea since we're not trading the account tomorrow to farm a winning day during Asia session today? You don't have that big day like on a Thursday?
If
We farm for Asia, it'll be for tomorrow. That's like another day. And then the last day of the winning day.
yeah, I would wait on that. Let's not
Let's
get
see
too
some
ahead
break
of
of structure.
ourselves here.
Bro, I need that around my wrist, bro. Can you show them?
Damn.
My turn.
Hell no, you're not putting this bitch on your wrist until you get the fucking payout, bro.
Good shit, good shit. Okay.
Iced out matcha brunch. Another winning day secured. 2 more days. For a
Yo, me
payout,
gustaría
gang.
por lo
2
menos
more
un
fucking days.
retracement.
On everyone's head top, gang. Let's get it.
Me gustaría ver un retracement por lo menos. They would target estos highs o este high.
I'm so proud of you, bro. Nah, I literally was just laughing, just thinking of all this shit, bro. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, bro. I really couldn't have done this shit without you, bro. Genuinely, bro. Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity, nigga. Thank you for the advice, the coaching, everything, bro.
Vamos a ver. ¿Verdad? Ya que como tocamos estos lows por lo menos aquí en ES, tenemos la posibilidad de tocar de change structure to grab this house.
two things I'm looking for. So right now we're back in this hourly gap, and technically, we didn't really get a proper hourly retrace into this gap. We got just an hourly down candle. Even though we filled this gap, we haven't gotten a proper hourly retrace. The only reason why I say that is because we have these three, like these lows are just like fucking like just stand out to me. It's like, damn, bro, there's no, yeah, like there's no way that we leave these. But if we end up inversing this gap on ES and on NQ, can only mean one thing, right? That we're going to want to go higher. But the fact that we're coming back in this gap on the hourly time frame, I think that we could just be, because again, just like how on the 5 minute is a move down, a retrace. Is a move down, a retrace.
Is oh you're oh sorry I didn't.
Yeah, I was asking you.
Okay. Is it move down? No, it's not.
No, exactly. So we're still yet to get an hourly retrace.
Bueno,
So
¿verdad?
the hourly candle printed down. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right here. Like maybe we want to come up, manipulate these 5 minute highs, stay within this gap, and then start capitulating lower to take out all of these draws of liquidity. And if we don't do that, if we inverse the gap,
We're going higher.
Awesome. I can set my eyes up for higher. But I'm not going to try and force anything. I'm just going to see if, like, first of all, I want to see what price does above these highs. I think that those highs are guaranteed. So I want to see what price does above those highs. I want to see if NASDAQ can even get up to these highs. Because if ES sweeps these out while NASDAQ stays underneath them, and then we start capitulating lower, awesome. We can look at these lows. I see these lows as free money. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Is Tim using an Alpha Futures account? He is.
Did you get a haircut today and I'll pay for it? I made $700 today.
Bruh.
No, seriously.
I don't want a haircut.
We're both looking a little
Chopped?
cooked up right now.
Bro, you're about to get your payout. So
Should we get on my payout?
yeah, fuck it. I don't even think we're gonna get to 10,000 subs, bro. We might as well do that shit when you get your payout.
On Fiverr, you can find the perfect freelancer for your AI project. But you
Wait, do
probably
like go
already
bald
know
and then
that.
fucking do the tattoo?
Fuck yeah.
The more I was thinking about it, I really want that tattoo.
What, the Arabic shit?
Arabic.
¿Qué amor que hacemos después de esto? Okay. Se lo sentí. Me gustaría ver por lo menos
Bro
un
wants an
cambio en order
Arabic
flow.
tattoo but eats pork. Yes. I'm actually gonna get I'm actually going to eat bacon while getting an Arabic tattoo. Thank you for the gifted sub, Brendan.
Yo, shout out Brandon. There's a chat for Brandon.
W Brendan. Hey boys, we got Santa Cruz Medicinals pulling up to the house pretty soon. We got Santa Cruz Medicinals pulling up. Okay, what was it, Chevy? Dirty soda in the styrofoam. Spend a day, get my mind blown.
Pero ¿cuánto tiempo llevo aquí, brother? 1 hora y media. H, no, en verdad que no. Bro, fuck it, en verdad. En verdad, mira, guys, nos vemos mañana. Vamos a ver si mañana nos da un trade. Uy, pero vamos a ver si mañana el precio nos da un trade. Hoy perdimos. Tristemente, perdimos 300. Se supone me pasé de mi threshold. Se supone que yo nomás pierda más 300 o menos. Pero fue que hoy sin querer arriesgué 6 micros. Pero es good shit. Por lo menos fueron 50 pesos más. So we good. Pero bueno, dale, guys. Peace. Y nos vemos tomorrow. Vamos a ver si traemos mañana.